Video number 11. From our previous videos, we have discussed about some key features we're gonna use from inventory management for the purchasing department. From this one, I'm going to discuss another important key tool about the stock counts. So I'm going to show you how we enter stock counts through the system and also how we're going to get the variation reports and etc. So once you come to here, you can see there's a search bar, and also from the top grid you can see the numbers, description, and started, last commit, and lines. So this number is the location number, and also this for the location description, and these are for the starting time for the stock count, and also the last commit date for the stock count, and also this one indicate how many products we have already entered to this. And from the bottom you can see this one is for uh, add a location. So once you click it, you can just add the location here, and once you add a location, it will be locked here. I will show you for one example for that one. So at the moment we have at location for Dune and Village Store, so they have locked here. So once you lock from these ones, we can't even you do any adjustments or transfers, they are not happening here. You can still do the transfers, but they are not change any stock in hand amounts until we open these locks. So let's go back to stock and period, and also this one for the counting. So once you lock it, you can put the count entry, so all the products you have in the locations. So you can select the location and reference ID and also the starting date and everything here. So I'm gonna go back, and this one is for the record period open in stock. Normally we do only once a month. Once you commit this one, it will be uh, give us we we get the final results from here. And also this is option for release the log, as I show you from here. So once we select that one, we can open these logs and we can start to process adjustments and other things. This one is for the schedule stack take, and these are some tools we're gonna use, and also these are the variance report and everything here, the reports. uh, I'm gonna show you how we gonna add one. So in here you will see that it will load that the 300 items we have already entered. So if you're gonna enter count here, okay, so if you want to enter something we already have entered, if you want to enter the count what we already have entered the product, so you can find from here. Either you can give the PLE number or you can give the description. And also here is for the count you're going to add, and this one show you the current count, and this one is for the inventory item. uh, I'm going to show you one example. Let's see, we want to find this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this one actually, because I already highlighted this. So I'm going to type 18433 and enter. So it will highlight that one, and then it automatically let us to add the amount. So we can put, if we count like 10 of them, you can just 10, and then once you enter, it will go here. I'll show you. So see, it will become 10. And also just because I just enter it, but it's not the real, so I'm gonna do it replace, and then going to add 0. And also you can do the same thing. Let's say you wanna get this one, KB Margarita, KBE. Either you can select enter from here, otherwise you can, they'll give other more options to select from here as well. So yeah, here once you enter, it will give here, and then you can just select this one, and then once you okay it will bring up to the same one. And let's say if you want to add something brand new to here, like the- I mean, if you might already have in your system but not in this stock count, you haven't entered to the stock count yet. So these buttons are for that one. You can add the item, and then you can either give the PLU number, or you can type uh, the name of the description, or otherwise you can just enter and then it give you more option to more filters to do it. And also if you want to delete that line, you can just simply delete this one, or otherwise if you want to reset this one, you can just press this one to reset, or otherwise you can use your keyboard shortcuts. For example, add new, I just add that shortcut and then it will give this. And same you can do the delete as well, just give the shortcut key from the keyboard and then it will delete for you. And this one is for recalculate variances. So once you enter all the counts, you can just save this one, or if you feel like you have done something wrong, you can undo it. But once you undo it, it will be undo until last time you save something. So you have to make sure you done it correctly, otherwise it will be a little bit messed up. And once you so when we enter something, then it let us to commit, and also we get the tools and the product wizard and also some reports. So that's the basics you want to know when you enter something for the stock count. For now I'm not going to save anything. So yeah, something like Dune is very simple, but when something, if you want to enter something like main store or something like San Wood, you get a huge list, so it will be much time consuming. But this one is really interesting tool. I'm using normally once a month. Uh, Hope you get an idea about this one as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.